Good morning, my dear students. Today, we are going to learn a new topic. And before I introduce the topic directly to you, let's create it as a suspense. Like, for example, let me put you some questions. I would like to ask you some questions. And with these questions, I expect your answers in the coming classes. Very simple questions. First one. Have you ever attended a meeting? I'm sure that you must have attended a meeting, maybe as part of a club or as part of any gathering, you must have attended a meeting. I'm sure of that. Right? Okay. Second one. What is the purpose of your meeting? Why you attended the meeting? Okay. I know that actually each meeting will have a particular purpose. Right? If it is a meeting in the club, okay, it will have a particular purpose. If it is something, what you can say, if you conduct a meeting in your classroom related with something, it also will have a purpose, right? Okay. Then, how the meeting was conducted? If you recollect that, whether it has got an order, okay, who came to talk first, who came second, whether it has got a proper order, you can think about. Okay. Again, remember, in that particular order. Okay, in that particular order, can you just arrange in the systematic order if you recollect it? Okay, if you do not recollect it, also no problem. I have uploaded some files, some videos, some materials and all. Go through the file and come back in the next time what you have understood. Okay? So, let's see in the next class with what you have understood or how to organize or how to arrange a meeting systematically. And what do we use in the meeting? What do we call it? If you understand the term, you can tell it. If you do not understand the term, no problem. You come up, we will discuss in the class. Okay? Thank you.